Good morning, everyone. Welcome and thank you for being here today. I'm excited to kick off our presentation with the topic, the government. This is the first slide, so I just want to give you a quick overview of what we'll be exploring. We'll look into how governments function, their roles, and the impact they have on our daily lives. So, let's dive in and see what makes governments so essential to society. Now, let's move on to slide 2, which is all about understanding why we need a government. You might wonder, why is government necessary in our lives? Well, a government provides us with stability and order, ensuring that society functions smoothly. It helps in making and enforcing laws that protect our rights and maintain peace. Without a government, there would be chaos, and individual interests could clash, leading to conflict. Essentially, the government acts as a unifying force that coordinates various activities in our community, ensuring that we all live together harmoniously. This slide connects to the overall theme by highlighting the vital role government plays in maintaining social stability and facilitating development. So let's talk about what a government really is. Essentially, a government is an institution, a structured organization that makes political decisions. Its main role is to govern the country, to decide how things should be run. When we say it makes political decisions, we mean it sets policies, creates laws, and determines how resources are allocated. Governments are responsible for deciding how a country, a state, or even a village is governed. This means they establish the rules and systems that keep everything functioning smoothly. Understanding what a government does is fundamental because it connects directly to how societies are organized and how power is exercised. Throughout this presentation, we'll see how different types of governments shape the lives of people and influence the development of nations. So, why do we really need a government? Well, one of the most important roles is the maintenance of law and order. This means that the government works to ensure peace and security in our society, so we can go about our daily lives without fear or chaos. Another key reason is to promote cooperation among people. A government helps bring us together, encouraging social harmony and making sure everyone works towards common goals. And finally, government plays a crucial role in collective decision-making. This is about making choices that benefit the entire country, ensuring our society's welfare and progress. All these points highlight how vital a government is in creating a stable, safe, and united nation. Now, let's explore the key functions of the government. First, the government maintains law and order through courts, which are actually a part of the government itself. This helps ensure peace and justice in our society. Next, the government provides basic facilities like education, healthcare, transportation, and electricity. These services are essential for our daily lives and overall well-being. Another important function is food security. The government works to make sure that all citizens have enough food to eat, which is vital for a healthy and productive population. In times of natural calamities, disaster relief becomes crucial. The government steps in to provide aid and support to those affected, helping communities recover quickly. Infrastructure development is also a key role. Building bridges, schools, hospitals, post offices, and railway services helps improve connectivity and supports economic growth. National security is fundamental as well. The government protects our country's borders and maintains peaceful relationships with other nations, ensuring our safety and sovereignty. Lastly, the government manages taxation and revenue collection. This money funds public services and helps resolve problems between different states or regions, keeping the country united and functioning smoothly. All these functions together show how the government works to serve and protect us in many important ways. Let's talk about the organs of government and why they are so important. To ensure the government runs smoothly and effectively, it is divided into different parts called organs. These are the legislative, executive, and judiciary. Each of these organs has a specific role and functions independently of the others, which helps maintain a system of checks and balances. This independence is crucial because it prevents any one organ from becoming too powerful, ensuring fair governance. So, understanding these organs helps us see how the government works together to serve the people while maintaining accountability and fairness. Now, let's talk about the functions of the legislative in India, which is known as the parliament. The word parliament actually comes from the French word parle, meaning to speak, highlighting its role as a forum for discussion and decision-making. One of its main functions is lawmaking, creating new laws for the country and also amending or changing existing laws to keep up with the times. Another key function is representation. The laws are made by elected representatives, leaders chosen by the people of India, to voice the people's needs and interests in the parliament. This ensures that the government truly reflects the will of the people. And lastly, in a democracy like India, the parliament holds significant power because it's the people's power in action. The elected representatives have the authority to make and shape laws that impact everyone, reinforcing the democratic principle that power ultimately rests with the people. Now, let's talk about the functions of the executive. Essentially, their main role is to implement the laws that are made by the legislative branch. Think of the executive as the branch that puts policies into action. It's composed of ministers and various departments, which work together to carry out the day-to-day administration of government functions. These departments are like specialized units handling different areas such as health, education, or transportation. So, in the broader context of our government system, the executive acts as the machinery that ensures the laws and policies are translated into actual services and actions that benefit the public. This connection between lawmaking and law implementing is vital for a smooth and effective government. Now, let's talk about the functions of the judiciary. Courts are an essential part of the judiciary system. They are responsible for implementing the law and making sure that justice is served. This means that whenever there is a dispute or a violation of law, it is the courts that step in to resolve the issue. They also ensure that punishments are given appropriately to those who break the law. Essentially, the judiciary acts as the guardian of justice in our society, maintaining order and fairness through their decisions. Connecting this to the overall theme, the judiciary plays a vital role in upholding the rule of law and protecting citizens' rights.